In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password for Kling AI. If you've forgotten your password or just want to update it for security, I'll walk you through the exact flow and share a few helpful tips along the way. You'll need access to the Kling AI website and the email inbox linked to your account. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Kling AI app site. Once the page loads, look toward the top corner for your profile icon. Click that icon to open your account menu. From there, choose Profile Settings to access the area where you manage your account details. Inside Settings, open the Account section. Here you'll find the Reset Password option. Click Reset Password. You should see a notice explaining that resetting your password will sign you out of all existing sessions. That means any devices where you're currently logged in will be signed out. This is normal and helps protect your account. Go ahead and proceed. A verification code will be sent to the email address associated with your Kling AI account. Give it a moment to arrive. If you don't see it after a short wait, check your inbox filters and folders such as spam or promotions. When the email shows up, open it and find the code. Select and copy the full code so you can paste it without errors. Return to the Kling AI account page and paste the verification code into the field provided. Submitting the correct code will unlock the password fields. Now, type your new password. Aim for a strong passphrase that's easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Think at least 12 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing passwords you've used elsewhere. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and save a secure one. Next, re-enter the same password in the confirmation field to make sure there are no typos. When both fields match, click Reset Password to finalize the change. You should see confirmation that the password has been updated. Because all sessions are signed out, be ready to sign back in with your new password when prompted. If something doesn't work, double check that you pasted the entire verification code, that there are no extra spaces, and that both password fields match exactly. Also ensure you're checking the correct email inbox linked to your account. That's it. Your Kling AI password is now reset safely and securely. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to store your new password somewhere secure before you move on.